Hi, I am Jaden Marrero, and for today, I am going to teach you how to add dissimilar fractions, subtract a fraction from a whole number, multiplying mixed numbers, and dividing fractions. First, let's add dissimilar fractions. To find the sum of the dissimilar fraction, find the least common denominator or LCD. Divide the LCD by the denominator of each fraction and then multiply the answer by the numerator. Add the numerators and write the result over the LCD. For example, 4/7 plus 3/8. Now, we have to find out what's the LCD of 7 and 8, which is 56. And now, we have to do this. 56 divided by 7 is 8. Then 8 times 4 is 32. Now, 56 divided by 8 is 7. 3 times 7 is 21. And now, 32 plus 21 is 53. Your final answer is 53 over 56. Next, let's subtract a fraction from a whole number. When we subtract a fraction from a whole number, we need to rename the whole number. Example, 10 minus 5/8. So we have to rename number 10 into 9 and 8/8. Since our denominator is 8 here, so we have to put 8 here. Now, we have to put the 5/8. So that will be 9 and 8/8 minus 5/8. It will be equal to 9 and 3/8. And that's the final answer. Next, let's multiply mixed numbers. To multiply mixed numbers, first, we write them as improper fractions. Multiply the numerators and then the denominators. Then express your answer as a mixed number or as a proper fraction reduced to lowest term. Example, 1 and 5/9 times 1 and 1/2. Let's change these into improper fractions. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14 over 9. Times 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 over 2. At this point, we can use cross-canceling. 14 and 2 are divisible by 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 and 9 are also divisible by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that will be 7/3 times 1, 1. That will be equals to 7 times 1 is 7, and 3 times 1 is 3. But it's an improper fraction. So, we have to divide 7 by 3. So, 7 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6, and the remainder is 1. So, the answer will be 2 and 1/3. And that's the final answer. Finally, I am going to show how to divide fractions. When dividing fractions, we write the equation as in keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction, change the division sign to multiplication sign. Flip the second fraction by switching the top and bottom numbers. For example, 7/9 divided by 4/5. So, we will just keep the 7/9. Then we have to change the division sign into multiplication sign, and then we have to switch 4/5 into 5/4. Now, let's multiply. 7 times 5 is 35, and 9 times 4 is 36. And that's the final answer. And that's the end of our lesson for today. Thank you.